All right, what's up, everybody? So we're sitting outside Lowe's. I'm gonna go in and check some prices. Our dryer went out, so I'm gonna go in and see how much these things are. They're probably like everything else, too expensive, but gonna have to get one. But we're gonna go in here and check some prices at Lowe's, so you guys can see how much dryers are going for over here. So let's get inside, let's check it out and compare prices. All I want to do is get something very basic. I don't need nothing with bells and whistles, but we'll check those out too, just in case, and see how much those things are. All right, let's get in and check it out. All right, this Samsung already $798. One of those big ones, fancy, see-through. But that's definitely something I'm not looking at. That one there is $798. These are your big ones, but not something I'm looking at. See, $698. Surely the cheaper ones will be cheaper. This one here is $648. All right, this one here's LG for $498. Basic dowels. Good little space in there. Something I'd be interested in, as long as it fit. I need a measure when I get home. That LG there is $748, but it's see-through. I don't need nothing see-through. $798. Washer. Electric dryer, $798 for that one. Something I don't really need. Just want something basic. Doing good. All right, that one's $698. Dryer. Let's see. Not really something I'm looking for, but down here, $558. That's a little better. Regular right now they got sales, so that's $798. But go down here, get you a little bit better. $508. Regular $750. Let's see, dryer $488. Was $699. Saved $211. Says delivery by the 17th, which today's 16th. And right here, something that I'll probably more likely get, Amana basic, $478. But the Whirlpool, better brand, $488, $10 difference. Whirlpool washer. All right, electric dryer, $558. There's all your different things there. Nice flat top, kind of rounded top. Right here, $798. Electric dryer. Whirlpool. Washer. There's another dryer. Man, look at that. $948. Was $1,399. Way too much expensive for my blood. Go right over here. This one right there is General Electric, which I think mine right now is General Electric, $478. But that here is a different door on it, because I couldn't get that to shut earlier. These bigger ones, $898, $898 for both. So you're looking over $1,000, almost $2,000. These would be great if you got the room. You want to set them up on top of each other. But those prices, man, and look down here at this one. Over $2,000 for both. Nice and smooth, be great. Yeah, it shuts just as easy on that. Well, as you can see, dryers are expensive. So I'm looking at between $500 to $600 plus tax to get my hands on one, and to get one delivered, no telling how much that's going to cost. So, but all the sales you've seen today, the cheap price is done after 9 o'clock. So yeah, everything's going to go back up in price. So I'm going to have to keep on looking different places and see if I can't luck up and get my hands on something basic. I don't need nothing big, just something basic. I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know in the comments what you guys' favorite brand is, and appreciate you guys watching. But there is your dryers at Lowe's. Appreciate it. Much love. Peace.